I just arrived at Hossoland in Poland. This theme park just opened a few weeks ago. I'm gonna take you guys along and see what attractions it has. So here's the entrance. This looks really cool. We just had some issues with scanning the tickets. I had a mobile ticket, which I bought online, and the entrance gate, it was not scanning, and a lot of people had problems. So you really have to move your phone up and down to get the ticket scanned, but it worked. So we are in. A really cool water feature. It's like a Viking ship. Let's take a look at the map. It's not the biggest park. I have no idea where everything is, so we'll just have to figure that out, I guess. I don't even know where we are right now. Oh, here we are. That is where we are. I'm not gonna lie, but first impressions are really good. Look at how clean everything looks. I'm not sure if they do like a water show here, but it definitely looks cool. There are no park maps. There's like one park map at the beginning, which I showed you, but I have no idea where to go. I just spotted the first roller coaster. A nice carousel, like a rocking top. The swing, I don't know. Not sure what the crowds are doing today because it is a Saturday in August and really nice weather. This is like a kids ride, like a driving school. I think it's also called driving school. Not sure if I'm allowed to do this, but it would be fun. This makes me think of The Hobbit. I'm also not sure what this is supposed to be, like a path, but it's sand, but also the main path is here. And there's like a wheel in the ground. Pretty random. So let's just do this first, I guess. Pretty sure this is the roller coaster we saw. I don't know if this park has an app or something with queue times, and there are also no queue times at the entrance. So we'll just have to figure it out on the way. It doesn't seem too busy yet, but it's 10 AM. Park hours are 10 until 6, I believe. I really like the color of this coaster. That's a nice view. Ooh, that's really smooth. That was our first ride on apparently the mermaid ride. Really nice coaster. Really smooth. And now I'm walking past something that I think is supposed to be some water rides, but it's not finished. Oh, it is a water ride. I see the cannons. Oh, that's too bad because it's like 28 degrees today, so it would have been nice to do some water ride. You see that they are definitely not done with this park, because why would you leave this open? That's kind of interesting. So maybe there is supposed to be a new ride here because it's a pretty big plot of land. There we have the second roller coaster. It's kind of a really open park plan. It feels really empty. but probably also because there's not a lot of big trees. There's only those small trees and that's it. Oh, I think we found it. Thor. The power of the storm god on extreme tracks. Extreme. Well, let's find out if it is extreme. So now we have a choice, I guess. Entrance. It doesn't even matter. Interesting choice of design for a queue line, because it doesn't matter which way you choose. There we go, on Thor. It's a Vekoma, of course. Yeah. Oh, they have a lot of space left to build. Sharp brakes. There's music all over the park, and it's like really cool Viking themed music. I really like how this park feels, even though it's like empty. It's a kids playground with some water features. Yeah, the music is really epic. I love it. Ooh, there's some like thrones. It's a photo opportunity, I guess. Looks cool. This is what I mean with they left everything. We have spotted our third and final roller coaster of this park, and this one looks amazing. Wow. The color, it looks quite intense, like a family coaster. So this ride is called Aurora, so let's find out if it's fun. There's not really a queue line, looks like. I don't know. Oh no, the queue line is on the right. So people are just like piling up there at the exit. So they are still building stuff. There goes the train in the middle of nowhere. I don't know where that goes, but there's nothing to see over there. My foot just touched the plants underneath the coaster. Okay. Oh, there really is nothing. Interesting. Oh, some near misses. Station flight through. And more near misses. Yeah, this has some power. Yeah. Okay, I lied. There are 4 coasters in this park, so this is the last one. It's a little kids ride, but we're going to do it anyway. This is interesting. There's nothing. Just a bit of water. I wonder what they will do with this. They actually have some really nice t-shirts. I like that. I just had a pizza at this pizza place next to the children's playground. I'm not gonna lie, it was not good. In the reviews I read that the pizza was pretty good, but it's not really a busy day, so I feel like the pizza has been laying there for like a couple of hours. It was not good. But the price was good though. I paid like €9, which is pretty good for a whole pizza. And also there is a lot of wasps in this park, even inside on the food. I don't like that. I am absolutely terrified of wasps, so I couldn't even eat my pizza like in peace without getting attacked by like a million wasps. People are like swatting around. Kids are screaming because they are annoying. Apparently there are shows in the park, but maybe it's announced in Polish because I don't understand the announcements. I wonder why this is not open. This looks like a really cool flat ride actually. I'd like to try that, but there is no queue, no operator. Just like this whole building is like closed, empty. I don't know, is this supposed to be a restaurant or? And there's more like food buildings that are not yet done or even open. One piece of theming, and then out in the open there's just nothing. I'm gonna queue up for the train, see where that takes us. I have no idea how long it takes and if there's anything to see even. Here's another like empty station. I think there's supposed to be a flat ride here. This is what a splash battle looks like without boats and water, or a little bit of water. I'm not sure when they are planning on opening this, but let's say they would open this right now because it's in the middle of summer. One thing I do really miss in this park is like a log flume or any other water ride, because it's like it's summer, it's hot, and I could do with a cool down. It's now almost 3 p.m, which means I have been in the park for almost 5 hours, and I've done basically everything that you can do. There is not a lot to do because there's still a lot of rides missing, of course. That's the downside of like a really new theme park. But other than that, it's pretty good. Not a lot of thrill rides, actually not at all. But it doesn't matter, it's like a family park. Do I recommend this park? Yeah, well, maybe not yet, because there is not a lot to do. It's still, of course, developing, so maybe in the future it's better. That was my day at Hossoland. I did enjoy myself. It was some good rides. I'm going back to my hotel now, and then I'm going back home tomorrow. 10-hour drive, so that will take some time. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time.